Okay, we're going to take a walk along the beach here. Actually, cut down here. There's a trail up here. You don't have hit as much sand. This is Whitefish Bay. And there's some wind coming out of the north. So there's a few waves kicking up. But I saw this trail the other day. And it's about 3/4 mile down to Ankadosh Creek. So we'll try to make it to Ankadosh Creek. For some reason, they want you to clean the tread off on your boots. Make sure you aren't bringing anything. A little beach here. And I thought this trail looked really nice for an evening walk. And there's some berries there. But what I'm looking for is blueberries. So they got a bridge on this creek. They don't have them on the bigger ones. And the trail gets kind of sandy here. We got lots of deer prints here in the sand. Hooves. They're kind of big. They might be could be moose. Got some birch bark. I can make a canoe. Iroquois Point Light Station. The original people of Whitefish Bay, Ojibwe, and Chippewa. Somebody stripped the bark off that tree. All the way around. I'm surprised it didn't kill it. Got a boardwalk. Pretty good waves coming in.
Mine, I have some from Auckland.
Looks like a potato. Little museum. It's closed. Yeah. Cute. We had a good time at Waterfalls Falls, and now we're headed across the Upper Peninsula over to Munising. I had the hardest time saying that city's name for a while, and it's about an hour, and we're only about an hour and 5 minutes away now, and we're going to be there for 2 weeks. We hope to see Picture Rock on the glass bottom boat and do some hiking in the area to see waterfalls. All is going good. Baby, baby, you can't come out. No, you can't come out. We're gonna go for a hike. You can't come out. Sorry. See you later. Bye. Be a good girl. So this is our campsite. Rained all day. And out there is Starlink. Had to go way out there so that it wouldn't have any trees. I put the orange bricks along the way so they don't mow across it. There's our fancy new tow car with the Susie. And we are tucked back in the corner here by the woods. So it's kind of nice because the only thing nearby us is the trash can. There's the building over there, playground. I just dumped the trash in the dumpster, and when I threw the trash bag in, a chipmunk jumped out and jumped on my chest, ran up my shoulder, and flew away. So I don't know what he was doing in there. We are by the road, and this is a very, very busy road. So that's kind of annoying. There's the laundry. 3 washers, 3 dryers. I love these big hydrangeas. And my favorite flower in the world, brown-eyed Susans. A swimming pool with nobody in it. And you can see the rest of the campground is very wooded, and there is no way Starlink is going to work in here. Yeah, we like this ground cover. Looks like maple leaves. Very pretty. These are beautiful campsites, but we're here for 2 weeks, and we do not want to be without internet for 2 weeks, or I would not be able to get these great videos out to you all. Check out Wagner Falls, the first of the falls. A little windy today. Some turning corner. What's the name of this falls?
Museum.
Oh yeah, we're going to Munising Falls. It's on Picture Rock, so I had my senior pass with the park system, National Park System. So that got us in for free. Well, I guess not for free. I paid how much for that pass?
Years ago.
Years ago, I paid, I think, $80 because our one for $10 slid down the dash in our van when we were at Bandelier National Monument. So anyway, we like walking into the woods. Another viewpoint. You have to go up more stairs. Sue's gonna wait below. She hates stairs. I don't blame her. Her knee's so bad it's hard for her to get up. So let's go check it out. More stairs. But gotta get the view for you guys. So we'll head up here. There's where I was before. Time to head back and meet with Susie. When I'm at places like this, I always like to think of when Native Americans were here before all of us immigrants piled in and overpopulated the country. And to think of being Native American, just finding this place while you're hunting. Just beautiful woods. I wouldn't have wanted to be a Native American living up here in the middle of winter though. That would have been tough. It was a little cool earlier. It's like not quite even 70 degrees. But doing this work out on these steps warmed me up.
overlook that way. I think. I can't tell the arrow. Yep. How'd we miss that?
Didn't see that. So
I was just looking at that one. That's not a very long boat.
the water is way out there. Lots of trees between here and there. Surprisingly, we get back here after 3 miles of dirt road, and there's a whole bunch of cars back here. Kind of shocked us. Well, we drove 3 miles back through the woods to find this overlook. And we got there. 64 degrees, nice and cool. Hey, we're in Munising. We drove over to Christmas, Michigan. Drove over to Christmas. It was nice. Not much to it, but there is a nice campground there we might consider in the future. Came back to A Burger. EH Burger. Getting a smoked burger. I tried this Kiwanon Red Ridge. It's got some blood orange ale in it. Don't like canned beer, but we'll see how it is. And then I'll show you the burger. We do have a nice view. That's Grand Island out there. That's Grand Island. There's no cars allowed, it's just hiking. And we can't decide. Can't decide on a cruise because it's so peoply. Sue and I don't really like to wait in line for an hour and jam on a boat with 100 other people. So I don't know. We're looking at renting a pontoon boat. That's pretty expensive. And certainly not today. There's high winds. Waters are really rough. So the adventure continues. We'll decide later what we're going to do. This is the view.